Over 50% of older adults can't sleep through the night. And no, it's not just aging. Here's what's really going on. As we grow older, our melatonin levels drop. That's the hormone that helps regulate sleep. So the brain starts struggling to keep a healthy sleep cycle. That's why many seniors wake up at 2 or 3 a.m., alert and restless. But it's not all biology. Many of us unknowingly make it worse. Late day coffee, that's a big one. Staring at your phone or TV before bed, also harmful. Even irregular sleep schedules confuse the body's clock. So it's no surprise we're waking up exhausted. But the good news is you can fix it. Start your day with sunlight. Open the windows or take a short walk. Light helps reset your body's sleep rhythm. Keep active during the day. Even light exercise makes a difference. Avoid heavy meals, alcohol, or screen time close to bedtime. And most importantly, keep a consistent sleep routine, even on weekends. These small changes help retrain your brain. And over time, deeper, more restful sleep returns. So if your nights feel restless, don't give up. Your best sleep might still be ahead. Try one habit tonight and see how you feel tomorrow.